Again, I'm just here as your city councilor, representing the whole Sangguniang Panglungsod, expressing our support to all our candidates here. Can you give a big round of applause to all our candidates? Personally, congratulating you already, because always remember that all of you are not just beautiful inside, or not just beautiful in the outside, but you are, always remember, you are empowered to be our representative of our city, empowered of representing the pride, culture, and the values of our city. So may you continue to inspire our the constituents, especially ang ating youth. May you continue to inspire them and with your confidence and your service to people. Again, congratulations. And together with our congressman, our dancing congressman, and I hope that we could see him in person dancing again on stage. Can you give a big round of applause to Congressman Eric Olivares? At syempre po, with all our partners who are here, the barangay headed by our Liga President, Kap Noel Haplos, si Tita Marlene Burgos is also here, si Kap Alex, and Kap Jen is they're all here to support. At syempre yung ating partners, ang ating SSO na nandito, very supportive, and the SM Group of Companies represented by Ma'am Maria Goles. Palakpakan po natin. At ang mga SK natin na nandito, hindi ko na iisa-isahin kasi maraming taga District 1, but definitely, hindi ako familiar, but definitely we are here supporting our candidates. And more power to you, katulad ng sinabi ng ating power couple dito na si Edeline at si Ray Morillo, ang ating head ng TPMO. Sila po actually ang kauna-unang Ginoo at binibining Paranaque. So, palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you for gracing this event. Again, from the Sangguniang Panglungsod, headed by our Vice Mayor Benjo Bernabe at our dear Kuya Edwin Olivares, we're here to support all the candidates and more power to the city of Paranaque.
Thank you so much, Councilor Kirismana. It is his pride and honor to give you all, and introduce, of course, our very